decided I will not do this again because I literally screamed while having that massage. I didn't feel instant attachment with my baby. Welcome back to my channel. My pregnancy story ended when my baby was born, but honestly, that's when the real story started. Everyone talks about pregnancy and delivery, but nobody talks about what happens after. The thoughts, the emotions, the physical pain, the guilt, the confusion, and how suddenly your entire life changes overnight. I'm going to share my honest postpartum experience today. So, the day my baby was born, everyone was so happy, so excited. So many calls, messages, visitors were coming, and I knew where they were coming from. But as a new mom who had just gone through C-section and delivered a baby, I needed rest and I needed some space to breathe for myself because the very first few days are very overwhelming for a new mom. I respect people's feelings and excitement to meet the baby and the new mom, but it's also important to give some space to new mom who have just delivered a baby. सो तुम्हाला जर कोणी माहिती असेल ज्याला रिसेंटली बाळ झालंय और होणार आहे, प्लीज घाई करू नका भेटायला जायची किंवा त्यांना भेटायची अनलेस अँड अंटिल यू आर व्हेरी क्लोज टू देम. First night after the delivery was one of the most overwhelming nights of my life. I started breastfeeding same midnight. And talking about breastfeeding was painful in the beginning because you are very new to it. It takes some time to get used to it, but everything falls into place. So don't worry. I started walking on my own on the second day, late night itself, because I was so tired of doing everything on bed. So with the help of nurse, I started walking on my own. It was painful, obviously, because the pain is so unreal. I decided in my mind that I will walk on my own. Even if it hurts or painful in the beginning, I will walk on my own. I was recovering physically, slowly, obviously, but mentally things were getting tough. I remember thinking that my life is over now. फक्त आईच आहे आणि आता माझ्या लाईफचं काय, मला स्वतःचं लाईफच नाहीये. हे इतके सगळे विचार येत होते फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट नाईट इट सेल्फ. इट्स रिअली रिअली ओव्हरवेल्मिंग. सो ऑन द फोर्थ डे आफ्टर द डिलिव्हरी आय केम बॅक होम. तुम्हाला माहिती असेल आपल्यात मसाज और मालिश आंघोळसाठी एक बाई आपण ठेवतो बाळासाठी आणि आईसाठी. उद्यापासून आता मसाज होईल, सो इट विल बी रिलॅक्सिंग फॉर मी. बट first day of massage was really traumatizing. Like I had decided after that massage that I am not going to continue this at all, and it was painful, to be very honest. ज्यांच्याकडून मी मसाज करून घेतला, she was very well trained. She had done it for years and decades, but it was very new to me and I didn't know that it works that way. She literally squeezed my breast, but for better milk supply, she did it, and it was so painful. I was so traumatized that I decided I will not do this again because I literally screamed while having that massage. The second day I was not ready to do the massage again, but she did it very well from the second day. And on the first day it was necessity for me and the baby too. Ek sawa mahina she was there for me and my baby, and she did very well. For the first few days I felt like my entire existence was only to feed the baby. Trust me when I say this, I didn't feel instant attachment with my baby. And I still get goosebumps while saying this because it's completely opposite right now. But yes, I felt that way. And for the first 8 to 10 days, I had no attachment with my baby. I felt what I felt. And so after having a baby, there are rituals that we have in our house. एक 5व्या दिवशी असते आणि एक 11व्या दिवशी असते पूजा. पूजा झाल्यानंतर आणि 1-2 वेळा मी ही गोष्ट पण नोटीस केली की ही इज क्राईंग लाईक nobody else. And the second he is in my lap, in my hands, he stopped crying. I couldn't believe that. That feeling is so surreal. Like when you are really special to your baby, like you really cannot put that in words. So if you're a new mom, please understand, please remember all feelings are valid, and it's okay to feel whatever you feel. Don't listen to people who say that you are not allowed to feel this way or you are not allowed to feel that way. Just don't hang on that thought forever because motherhood is always changing. And After going through 9 months of pregnancy, delivering a baby, so many things happen, and it can be mood swings, it can be crying over little things or forgetting things. Yes, because you forget a lot after delivering a baby, and it is what it is. Don't blame yourself for that, because it's not in your hands. You have gone through 9 months of pregnancy, growing a baby inside your belly, delivering it, and now taking care of him or her. So please don't blame yourself for these mood swings, for crying, for forgetting things or anything. I'm really, really blessed to have a partner who has been there with me in my every situation and who understood me so well. Sometimes you just need someone to listen to you and just be there for you. And after a couple of weeks, when you get into some routine, I started missing my old routine. कधी पण उठून बाहेर जाणं, कधी पण कॉल आलाय, पटकन कॉफी पिऊन येऊ किंवा असं पटकन काहीतरी खाऊन येऊ किंवा एनिथिंग. You cannot do that after having a baby, at least in very early days, because you are needed all the time. But I guess becoming a mom is not about going backwards and going to old routine. It's about growing into a new woman altogether after becoming a mom. And that's what I have learned. So obviously I miss my old life, old routine, but at the same time I love being a mom too. I love this new life that my baby has given me. One thing I'm incredibly grateful for after having a baby is having people around me. I didn't have to get up and do things on my own the first month. I was really blessed to have everything in my hands, whatever I needed at that time. And like, it can be food, it can be water, it can be tea, it can be coffee, it can be anything, you name it. And I had that in my hands. If you are pregnant right now or have just delivered a baby, it's okay if you are overwhelmed. It's okay if you are emotional. It's okay to whatever you feel right now is valid. It's okay if you don't have everything figured out, because motherhood doesn't happen in a moment. It grows day by day. So just give it some time. You will get through it and everything falls into place. So yeah, that was my postpartum journey, my postpartum experience. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with a new mom or anyone who needs to hear this. I will see you in the next one. Bye.